Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. This is another episode in Friday Sews. I'm pretty sure this is episode 14. It's been a minute since I have done one of these. I think it's been about no, it's not 4 weeks. It's been probably about 6 to 8 weeks. So just about 2 months, if I'm remembering correctly. So for my Friday sews, I just do it really relaxed. If you are new to my channel, I don't go into like serious details and be completely like professional when I'm doing the Friday sews. For me, this is a little relaxation and I'm not too serious. I talk about a little family life as well as what I plan to sew in the coming week and what I completed this week. So meet me in the next section and we'll get chatting. Okay, so last time I think I left off where my daughter was still doing her driver's ed. She has since become a driver, so she has her license now and she also has a job. So this here is a photo of her getting her license, and then this here is a photo of her the first night working at Whataburger. So she's employed for a few days a week, and I think it's really nice for her. I was really scared because she has to drive on the freeway to get there, and being a new driver, that totally scared me because I'm worried for her, but she doesn't care, and I'm like, why am I worried? But as a mom, I guess that's what happened. She's going to her music class, she's going and pick up friends, and I'm like, oh my gosh, please call me when you get here, call me when you're there. And she's like, stop it, I'll text you, I won't call. And I'm okay with that. So yeah. It's just such a different position to be in. I always take them everywhere, and now my first one, she's driving. So that's pretty sad and exciting because I'm really happy for her, because the very first thing that she did once she got her license, and this is a promise she made to her sister when she was 12. So Izzy was 12 when she told Sophia, I'm going to take you to McDonald's when I get my license. That is the first thing I'm going to do. And Izzy did. She took Sophia to McDonald's and she took her brother, and it was really cute. So really proud of her for that. Now, that is some of the family thing. Other things is I haven't been doing much jiu-jitsu. I haven't gone to the gym, but I've been doing jiu-jitsu at home. My husband got his blue belt, so that's really cool. I probably will never get any belts because I don't know if I'm going to go back to a gym. I do like to learn it, but I like to learn it at home. My son is going back to the gym and they're doing jiu-jitsu. The girls and I just like to run, bike. I also do archery. I'm new to archery, so I have my bow, I have my arrows, and then come January, February, I'm going to register and go take shooting classes because I like archery. I've always liked it. I like reading books that include archery, so that is something that's new. What else? I did a lot of makes between not doing a Friday sews to now, and you guys may have seen all of them already, but the latest one that I completed, and I didn't really I didn't follow all my hopes, dreams, and desires on my plans for this month, so I messed up 2 of them. I just didn't finish them. They're not messed up. But this dress was just, and I think it's this dress that totally threw me off from my plan because I forgot that I had to go to Magnolia Market. We had a invitation for this season, for their season opener, and as a past client, they invited us to enjoy dinner, music, and some shopping. So I made this dress. This is the Mimi G dress, and I'll leave the the number up here for you guys. But this dress turned out so good. It's such a beautiful fabric. This is from Zuluf. And then I really liked what I did here. So when I wore it to Magnolia, I did not put, and that was because I had no time because I was rushing sewing this because I totally forgot I had somewhere to go and I wanted a new pretty dress. So I made this in pretty much half a day. But when I wore it, I didn't have the straps and the ties actually, and it was just so interesting. You can hear about it in this video. But I love these buttons. These are the buttons from Mood, and they are $2.29. Are you guys seeing that? It's not focusing. Focus. It's such a beautiful, I wish it would focus for you guys. It's such a beautiful, beautiful button. It costs a pretty penny, but I used it on the back and it looks so cute. So you guys can see some of the photos. I also have a blog post, but this dress was an impromptu sew, and I think that threw me off course for my month. I also made this one. This is the Simplicity sweater that I said I was going to make, and I really like this. It's a quick sew. It turned out really good, and I love the fabric. So to my knowledge, those are the most recent two, but let me check my blog and see what else, because I know that I sew, oh, I know what it is. It's this dress. It's another McCall's. Grab it here. It's this McCall's dress. This is my last summer make, but living in Texas, I mean, who are you kidding? Some days are going to be really hot still. But this turned out really good, and this too was a very quick sew. So those are the three things that I made this month, and I have two other pieces, two other patterns cut out to sew. I have that hoodie that is from Bella Loves. I have that cut out. I'm going to sew it this weekend, and then I also have the Zimmerman fabric, that turtleneck. I cut out a turtleneck from the Berta style, so I have that to I have that to sew this weekend as well. I'm not sure when I'm going to squeeze all that time in because Isabella's birthday is on Tuesday, but her birthday party is Sunday, and today is Friday, so lots of things to do and not a lot of time to do them, but somehow I make it happen, right? So yeah, that's some of the things that I have going on. Don't think there's anything else that's really new here. I really love this top. It's from Amazon. I picked it up. I picked that up and another red one that I don't have here to show, but it's really pretty. That red top that you will see on my Sunday video is an Amazon purchase. It was a very good price and I liked it, and I was just lazy and I purchased it. Same reason for purchasing this one, because I'm lazy. Some days I'm lazy, some days I don't sew. I don't sew everything in my wardrobe. It would be nice if I did, but I have a day job. And I like my sleep because I've been getting migraines, and I think it's because I haven't been sleeping often. I've been doing all these blogs and trying to post all these IG posts, and just trying to be consistent, and what gets lost is my sleep. I have still been taking my CBD tablets, and those sometimes help me sleep, but it's if I remember, because when I'm at the computer at 3 a.m. and I just want to drop down, I forget about taking those tablets and I just fall over. So been getting a little headachy for the last few weeks. And I also think that has to do with the transition from the hot to the cold seasons. This has happened before when I lived in Wisconsin. Anytime the temperature changed, and it was a vast change, it was a quick change from like 70 to like -11. So those give me headaches as well. But the rambling is real because I forgot what I was talking about. Anyway, I don't think I have much to say for this Friday Sews. I just really wanted to pop in here and say hello. I am back and I've been sewing a lot. I've been posting individual videos. I do hope to post a updated planning videos for November. Maybe I'll do it for Sunday. I don't know. We'll see. I do kind of want to finish those 2 projects and squeeze them into my October roundup because they were cut in October. They just weren't really technically sewn in October. So if you guys see it, then you know I probably just snuck some in. It should have been in the November, but they're already cut and I can't wait to make them because they're actually really quick sews. That hoodie didn't really take me a long time the first time I made it, so I don't anticipate that this one is going to be particularly stressful and long. And then that turtleneck is just like 5 straight stitches and a cuff, so that's going to be a quick make as well. I just need to sit down and get it done. But I have a video that I'm going to record with this blouse, so if you see me in another video, it's just because I really like this top and I'm going to make that video. I just haven't done my research yet, so I may upload it Sunday. So there might be 2 videos on Sundays. This Sunday, not Sundays. There might be 2 videos on this Sunday. I'm really excited for my announcement video. I have a really fun announcement video coming out on Sunday. I hope you guys check it out. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this rambly bit of my Friday sews. But bear with me, guys. I'm just finally getting back into the Friday sews mood, okay? Just a little bit. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys on another upload. Bye-bye. Okay, friends, so where were we last time? Last time I did a Friday sews, Izzy was driving and doing her hours to get her license. She has since got her license, and she's also got a job, so very scary things are happening here. Very scary. Oh my gosh, I'm rambling so much. Oh. Let's try this. I'm done. It's so long. Wonder if they're gonna watch this video.